Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well, washing your hands, social distance, and trying to wear a mask. We're here today going south towards New York City. This is the day after the storm. It's a crazy day. 40 people dead, New York City, surrounding areas. I think there are more dead. A lot of damaged, people abandoned their cars. It was a crazy time. Roads are clear, but it took so long to get around. It's insane. Just want to give you guys an update. Gonna make more videos tomorrow. Going up to upstate New York. Should be fun. Nice day. It's gonna take a couple of days for the water to recede, and things will be better, hopefully. Actually, I'm in the wrong lane. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it if you guys subscribe. That would really help me. We are on the Route 7 connector south, headed towards New York City. Actually, we'll take a turn, go south to South Norwalk. It's that little mall they made. Here it is, Sono Mall. It's an amazing place. Yeah, if you guys are ever in Norwalk, Connecticut, this is the Sono Collection here, high-end mall you guys are looking at. A lot of stores in here, high end. There's a Apple store. There's I believe the Nordstrom. That's a real great place for shoes. And that's about it. I thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. I really appreciate it. I thank all the viewers for watching my videos and hitting the like button. That really helps me. Have a great night. Stay safe, everyone. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care and have a great day.